Hey, how's it going? So I'm gonna detach my yard and then aerate it though. So this is gonna be like a 2-day video in the process. Yesterday I mowed it at 3 inches and I sprayed the weeds. So now I'm gonna detach it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna aerate it. And then after that, I'm gonna throw some fertilizer on the ground. It's gonna be like a little 3-day process. I'm doing this after work, my primary job, so I only have like about 2 hours of daylight right now. So that's my lawn tractor right there, Old Faithful. My first lawn tractor. I started that for my side hustle like back 4 years ago. It's a good mower. I bought it from a guy. He bought it used. He had it for 10 years. So before that, another guy had it. So it's a good mower. It's very reliable. So hope you enjoy.
AllCoastLawncare.
All right, so this detacher, I bought it used from somebody. It's residential. It's not commercial. I used it before in my old house. And it was like, I guess it picked up a lot. I guess because it was like a lot of thatch on the ground from the previous mowing from years. But the guy before me, this is my house now. Before me, he was bagging his clippings. So I just started like when I took over, I just spit him out the side of the mower. I guess there's not that much thatch on the ground. I'm kind of disappointed. I was hoping to give you a big show. But I guess this is a before picture right here of this side right here. I didn't detach that. All right, but here you go. That's how it looks. All right. So that's how it was before, and this is after right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bag it now with the bagger. So this detacher it's from Blue Hawk. All right, that's a brand Blue Hawk. If you have this same thing, the same detacher, there's a better way to do it. Let us know in the comments. It's a hassle. Like it gets built up. I was stopping a lot to take out all the detach and the grass I was pulling. That's the only thing that I didn't like about this. All right, there you go, y'all. So I'm done detaching that spot over there. Hopefully the Malorganite makes the grass grow, or we're gonna feed it a couple some enough nitrogen. So hopefully that does a trick. But all that brown, like there's more thatch, but I got a lot. Let me show you the trash cans. Yeah, look, y'all. So that's all the thatch. All that right there, y'all. Yeah, a little bit of green, got some grass though, but a lot of thatch. So that's what I use right there. It's from Blue Hawk. Buy that at Lowe's or Home Depot. Now, I got it used for $15. Somebody didn't want it no more, so yeah, I'll buy it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Dethatching with me. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and aerate the lawn. Punch some holes in the yard. So when I lay down the Malorganite, they could go inside the holes. But other than that, y'all, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. If you liked it, hit like. I appreciate you staying here with me for the whole video. Other than that, leave a comment. See you on the next video. God bless.